What's up guys? Welcome to Dustin Off the Pans. What we're going to make today is some delicious turkey meatballs, one of my favorite things to make and eat. Very simple. I'll show you some easy tips and tricks throughout the way to make them moist and delicious. On top of that, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade barbecue sauce that is sweet and tangy. You're not going to want to miss this episode. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so down in this corner and ring the bell so you don't miss any future episodes. So before your mouth starts watering, let's get started. First thing what you're going to do, guys, is you're going to put all your wet and dry ingredients in here, and that's going to make up the meatballs. After you get all your ingredients in there, what you're going to do is you're going to plop the turkey in there, and I'm using 1 pound of 85% turkey, which has a lot of fat in it, but then I balance it out with having another pound of turkey in there that is like 93%. The reason I do that is because if you use really fatty meats, they're kind of hard to form and they're just kind of sloppy. So let's go ahead and get all the dry and wet ingredients in here, and we'll get those baking in the oven. Alright, so once all your ingredients are mixed up in that bowl, you're going to get your turkey, which is 85% lean and 93% lean, and you're going to flop that in there, combine it all with your hands, and then we're going to get it on a pan and get it in the oven. Let's go ahead and preheat that oven to 400 degrees. I'll show you how to roll up these turkey meatballs and put them on the pan, get them in the oven, get them done. Just get in there. Ooh, that meat is cold. Jeez. So let's go ahead and get these things on the pan. Let's go ahead and throw some extra virgin olive oil on there. Just a nice layer. Rub it around with a paper towel. That was probably about 3 tablespoons. Alright, so the easiest way is just to get you a nice little bit here. Roll it between your hands. Make a perfectly delicious meatball. I like mine small to medium size. Plop it right on the pan. Now we're going to fill this pan up real quick and easy. Pop them in the oven. Try to make them all about the same size so they cook evenly. Not a whole lot of pressure here. Just nice and simple, nice and light pressure as you're rolling them together. And if you made them all the right size, they should fill up the pan completely, all the way down, nice and orderly like. Let's go ahead and pop these babies in the oven for about 20 minutes. Oh yeah, babe. Since it's getting heated up, let's put all them meatballs in there. Thanks for watching, guys. We had these awesome turkey meatballs. I really hope you enjoyed the episode. I surely did. So until next time, keep cooking and we'll see you later.